My name is Sirshaun, and I'm a student at the University of Illinois. Come and play dodgeball with us. Yo, how you feeling? Yeah, a little bit. Just I'm trying to dodgeball. Yeah, let's do it.
I really dragged myself out of bed.
Trust me. Come on now, it's late. Well, you gotta grind. My favorite part about dodgeball is being able to absolutely let go. After being in class all day, it gives you a rush and a sense of freedom that you aren't guaranteed a lot as we go and we move on to our adult lives. 9, 10. So right now, you guys are catching us in the middle of practice. I'm gonna keep this mic on and we're gonna see how much fun we have today. Come with me. Love to see my people growing. My sophomore year, I felt that there was something more out there for me. First drop. Not only competitively and athletically, but also in terms of a community. Instead of waiting for it to come to us, we decided to create something for ourselves. And that's why I'm so proud of what we have here. Our cast is full of so many diverse characters with so many backgrounds that it makes me appreciative of the space that we've been able to create. You gotta take out, take out. 2, 3, 2, 1. You see everybody can, ooh! The secret is strategy. Close enough. Oh my God, I knew he was hunting for me. Teamwork gonna make this dream work, watch it. We gonna hunt. Whoa, come here one. Ah, good catch. Give me one. Hey, that's game. We took the L that time, but we gotta get them back. Let's go. It's surprising how much you can learn from one another, regardless of the differences, how much fun and how much of a connection that you can build.